Hi there, this is 47, and this is the Firebase Tkinter app which I built with the help of Tkinter, Python, and Firebase. It has multiple pages. The one you are seeing at the moment is the disclaimer page, which is displayed once you run this application. Then we have the About page, and in the About page, we also have a Donate page along with all the wallets, different kind of wallets, as you can see. Clicking on back and clicking on this more info link, it will open a website which you will define. Going back, clicking on accept and next will take you to the login page. User will have to create his account before he could even log into this application. So creating the account will be can be done from here. So as you can see, this is sign up page. User will have to enter his email address, then password, and then click on sign up. Once he once he's done with this, he will get an email for verification along with the link. He will have to click on that link to verify his email account. Once he's done verification, he will then be able to log into this application. And unless a user will not uh, verify his email address, he won't be able to log into to this application. Also, in case he forgot his password, just click, he will have to click on forgot password, enter his email account and click on reset. It will send a password reset uh, link to to the user. He can then reset his password by his own. Clicking on login, user will have to log in here. So once logged in, this is the home page of the user. On the top left corner, you will see the email address of the user, and the right side is the countdown for 1 hour. Since a session is valid for 1 hour, and that's why this countdown is displayed. Now, clicking on next will take you to another frame. So you can start working on your applications from this frame onwards. To get this application working, all you have to do is create a Firebase uh, account. You'll have to you'll simply have to log into your Gmail Google account and then go to firebase.google.com and then click on go to console. Once you're here, you will have to add a project. Just click on add a project and add any name. Once you click on confirm and continue, you won't be needing this analytics, so just uncheck this and create a project. It will take a couple of minutes to complete this project. Also, this entire application is available on my GitHub profile. I will share the link of this project in the description. Since we are completed with this project, click on continue. The first thing you will have to do is create a web application under this project. So click on that icon, add a name. You can give any name here and click on register app and click on continue to console. Now once you are here, you will have to click on left side the storage option, then get started. Since we are testing this, click on start in test mode, click on next, and You just have to keep this as it is and click on done. In case you want to use a functionality for um, notifying the user for an update. Now in case if you have to add the functionality to notify the user for a new update, all you have to do is go to your desktop, create a new file as version, name it as version and remove the extension. Click on yes, right click, open with notepad. All you have to add is the version number. You can simply add a JSON type and click on save. Go to your Firebase account, click on upload a file and upload that file which we created just now. That's it. So every time you create a new version, you just update this file. Then you have to go to authentication. You need to allow the users to create the account. So once you are under authentication, click on get started. Then you have to click on email password and you have to enable it. Click on save and that's it. You're ready to go. All you have to do is now click on this gear icon, project settings, scroll down a bit and you will have this API keys. Just copy everything from here, go to your project. So you can download this project from here. You can simply download a zip or you can just git clone it. All you have to do is go to your project and replace these keys with your own keys which you have here. Okay, you might be wondering what is this database URL. So database URL is nothing but the domain, auth domain with HTTPS as a prefix. You might be wondering what is auth domain. You might be wondering what is this database URL. So for database URL, all you have to do is copy this your project ID and just paste that project ID here. That's it. Rest all you'll have to keep the same. This default r default hyphen rttb and rest all just keep it the same. Only add the project ID here. That's it. And once you're done with this, just save it and run the project. Try creating a new user and try to log into that user and it should work. That's it. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Just go to help and click on contact. You can also support this project. You can also report a bug and yeah, that's it. Thank you.